So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of DevSecOps and everything that you guys need to know about DevSecOps. It's gonna be a very concise and very to the point video, and I hope you guys are able to benefit from this video as much as I would like to give the knowledge to you guys. So just quickly give me 1 minute. I just want to switch on the comments just in case anybody has any doubts. Just give me 1 second, and as soon as I do that, we'll just get right to it. Okay, and we are good to go, I think. Yep. So I have my live chat in front of me, and this I do generally so that if anybody has any doubt or something, I'm able to monitor it. So thank you so much, guys, for waiting patiently. And today I'm going to talk about the very important topic called DevSecOps. So DevSecOps is basically development, security, and operations all tied together. So, hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya Khanna, and we are diving into a fascinating world of DevSecOps. If you have, any questions or doubts, I hope I will be able to clear them in this video. And please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe button and ring the bell notification so you never miss update on all things tech. Now let's get started. So topics that we'll be covering today are what is DevSecOps, basically you know everything about DevSecOps, how development and security and operations come together to revolutionize the organizations and build and deploy software, the importance of DevSecOps, some of the key principles of DevSecOps, and what are the workflows of DevSecOps, tools and techniques, challenges, and if you're an organization, then basically how to get started with DevSecOps, and then we're just going to have a conclusion and maybe just the next steps on how to get started. In case you have any questions, any doubts, please feel free to write them in the chat box below and I'll make sure to answer them. So basically, DevSecOps is a fusion of development, security, and operations. It is a way to revolutionize the organization and build and deploy software. In this video, I'll be covering the fundamentals, the benefits, and the best practices of DevSecOps. Coming to what is DevSecOps? DevSecOps is basically a methodology. Basically, it is a method where you are integrating security into the DevOps process of your own company. It emphasizes collaboration between development team, security team, and operations team throughout the software and development lifecycle. So, in earlier times, if you guys don't know, there used to be a code that used to be built, then it used to come to the QA team and operations team, and then it comes to the security team. And basically, what happens is first the code is made, then it is tested for quality, and then it is tested that how secure it is. So if a security person has any issues, that this is a loophole, then in order to go back and redo the entire cycle, it takes a lot of effort and time, and this delays the operation and go to market side time. To avoid this thing in particular, the concept of DevSecOps came in, which is basically integrating security into the early phases of development of any application or anything in the tech business. Coming to the importance of DevSecOps, why is this important? So, as we already discussed, DevSecOps is crucial because it enhances the security overall and Because we have already integrated security into the early phases of the development, it accelerates the software delivery and reduces the vulnerabilities. Because earlier what used to happen is, if a security team is saying that I cannot give a go ahead without the security team, without the security loopholes being closed, then either there is a delay in the delivery, or if the business team says that we'll fix this in the next iteration and let's just release it, then there is a problem with the vulnerabilities being open, the company's data is at risk. So in today's threat landscape, security can't be an afterthought. Considering how many hacks we have seen, it needs to be baked into your development pipeline from the very beginning. And that, my friends, is basic concept of DevSecOps. What are the key principles of DevSecOps if we talk about? So the key principles of DevSecOps are four. One is automation, two is collaboration, three is integration, and four is continuous monitoring. These principles basically ensure that security is an integral part of every development stage. Okay, so coming to what is the DevSecOps workflow? Basically, DevSecOps workflow consists of 6 stages, starting from the planning phase to coding phase, building, testing, deployment, and then monitoring. Security measures are incorporated at each of these stages to identify and mitigate the risk early in the life cycle. Coming to the responsibility for application security throughout the life cycle. Now, who will decide that who is responsible for the particular security in each phase of the life cycle? So, if the app is into the development phase, the responsibility is of developer. If the app is in testing phase, the responsibility is of system administrator. And if the responsibility is if the app is in operations phase, the responsibility becomes that of operations or DevSecOps team. Okay. Coming to various tools and technologies that are, part of the overall life cycle. So, DevSecOps basically relies on a number of tools and technologies. For example, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and some of these tools I have listed over here that are, very crucial and very critical and can be easily, integrated into the DevSecOps cycle. So please take a look, and if there is any doubt or you want me to make any focused video, please let me know. Coming to the various challenges that one might have. So, challenges that come along with a particular role are resistance to change. So, in any organization, if you end up bringing a change, there is always a resistance from the higher management for the budgets, from the lower management for to adopt to the new technologies, and the list goes on. And then second, the challenge remains is of tool selection. What is the right tool for your organization? As long as you don't understand the right tool, it ends up getting messy because these tools are worth crores of rupees and you subscribe to them. It's not that you have to take licenses of these tools. So, getting the right tool for your organization's threat landscape is very, very necessary. Getting started with DevSecOps now, if you are an organization who are just getting started, then I would recommend that first assess your current business processes, educate your team on what is DevSecOps, and then gradually over a period of 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, depending on your organization size, I would recommend to implement security measures into your already existing pipeline with the help of your employees. Coming to the conclusion, DevSecOps is the future of cybersecurity, of software development, of organizations, if they want to make sure that everything in the system is as secure as then they can make it. Okay, because at the end of the day, you can never have enough security. And by focusing on security, collaborations, and automations, you can always build more secure and reliable software faster. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and of course subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech content. I am Tanya Khanna, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video and if it was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, and thank you so much.